Johnny581 here with a box break of Garbage Pail Kids 2012. It's a hobby box. Now, you might see it's already open. There's a local shop by me where I usually find a lot of my video games, and they do sell trading cards to a point. Literally a minute before I got there, they had just finished putting the, of course now I'm not going to see it. Most of these have they put the security stickers on, so they took the 24 packs out, put them right back in the box, flipped up the lid. I know for a fact this is not tainted. All they did was add the security stickers to the back of some of the wrappers so people don't shoplift. It's a fresh box, totally same 24 packs that were in here when it was wrapped in plastic. I paid $2 a pack, so it came to $48, plus you get credit to it on your account every time you shop there, so pretty good price. And I still need a few cards and some inserts, so I figured why not take the chance, because I wanted to get a hobby box anyway. Just pure timing, and they only got 2 in for the store. First they gave me a hard time, and they didn't want to give one person 24 packs, but they were cool about it. And alright, please watch my other videos for more specific shots of the cards. These are going to be solely for the inserts and the hits if there are any. So please check out the other videos that are uploaded for the more. Oh, that's good. Alright, got Tattoo Lou mix and match. That's I already have. If you saw the last video, these mix and match cards are pretty cool. They're kind of like color forms, so you could chop the body parts from different characters, mix them all together, and make your own little custom card. Good way to start off. And here's a parallel card. I think there's 55 cards for the A series and 55 for the B. There's 10 atom bomb throughout history. I have almost all of them. Still missing a couple. So here's the atom bomb discovery of fire. Pretty fun insert set. And here's another parallel. See, there's security tags, which is all they were really worried about. So it is not a tainted brick. Okay, we have the green parallel of the first number for atom bomb subset, and a black water parallel, which I learned is hobby only. But I don't really care about the parallels. It's ridiculous. I think there's 4 colors or something in this set alone. Too much. Put the effort towards more cards. Okay, here's a green water parallel. I don't know, I guess people do like them. Companies keep doing them. Another parallel, goofing on Mario and Luigi. Well, that one's Messy Mario, but there's another one making fun of Luigi, but it's the same card in red as well instead of green. Oh. Yeah. Here's Luigi, which, even though it's not Luigi, still funny though. Alright, so we have an atom bomb parallel insert and a black water parallel. Hoping to get a sketch card or a printing plate. I'm also hoping by the time I'm done here I have the base set and the atom bomb cards. Sketch card and printing plates would be pretty cool. Here's atom bomb full of Troy and a green parallel. Again, please watch the other videos for more details. I don't want to be too repetitive. So here's a green parallel. Okay, this is cool. Here's one of the motion cards. I only got one other one of this so far. These are actually really well done. There's 10 of them. Might have to eventually get these separately because hopefully it comes out on camera right now. They're kind of tough to get. I think it's 1 out of 12, so I should get 2 in here. But if there's 10 total, I mean, that's kind of crazy. Here's a silver parallel. They made these very hard to get. You got, I think the mix and matches are out of 12. The motion cards are out of 12. I don't think I'm going to end up with the full set. I would like to. The mix and matches are fun, but the motion cards I think are really good. Boston Tea Party Atom Bomb, and another parallel. If I'm missing anything, please point it out to me. Sometimes I'm going a little too fast for my own good. Atom Bomb Big Bang, and a green parallel. Atom Bomb Fall of the Berlin Wall, and another green parallel. There we go. Okay, it's Hot Scott, another mix and match, pretty cool, and another parallel. That's probably it for my mix and matches, but you never know. It's a parallel for the pack. I could see if they were just green borders or black borders, but there's way too many. So it would be a lot easier to get a set that didn't go overboard. And the green parallel. Alright, here's one of my bonus stickers. I think there's 8 bonus stickers that are only in the hobby boxes. Just like there's some that are only in the retail. Atom Bomb Parallel. And here is Bubba Bumpkin, the bonus sticker. So yeah, the blasters have their own exclusives, and they made way too many cards here. Way too many. And a green parallel. Not too many packs left. Alright. Hindenburg Disaster for Atom Bomb, and a Three Stooges spoof green card. I'm making a mess over here. And another parallel. Sorry if I sound tired. I tend to always do these at night, so I'm kind of beat. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, good. Another motion card, which, if I'm not mistaken, is one I already got. So, what are the odds of that? Out of 10 possible motion cards, I got a double. Oh well. And here's a Captain America spoof green card. Atom Bomb End of the Ice Age, and another green card. Launch of Apollo 11, Atom Bomb, and another green card. Yet another green card. Final pack. Guess I'm not getting my print and plate or my sketch card. Nope. Okay, so Atom Bomb, Extinction of the Dinosaurs, green card, and another green card parallel. Thanks for watching. Please check out the other Garbage Pail Kid videos where I went into more detail, showed the cards individually in the backs. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.